I want to tell you where we're taking Sales Ask. In today's Sales Ask, we can identify if your reps are following the process, and we can notify you when they're not. But what we're really building is the world's first AI sales manager. That's not designed to replace the sales manager, it's designed to enhance the sales manager. Here's an example of how it could work. You can tell the AI as the sales manager, I want you to work with Johnny and help him ask for the sale. Our AI can then follow up with Johnny after every meeting and say, hey Johnny, today you didn't ask for the sale in this meeting. You and I have another one coming up. Let's ask for the sale in that meeting. Meeting happens, AI follows up with Johnny. Johnny, good job. You asked for the sale. The client didn't confirm the sale, but we're making progress. It can then update the sales manager on the progress of that sales rep. For example, it can go up to the sales manager and say, hey, sales manager, I've been working with Johnny for a month now. When I started, he asked for the sale 2 of 10 times. Now, a month later, he's asking for the sale on 9 of his last 10 meetings, and he got confirmation of a purchase on 3 of them. Is there any other metric you'd like me to work with Johnny on to help him improve? That's the future that we're building. And why is this, so exciting and possible? It's because large language models are really good at conversations. And that's essentially all a sales manager does. He talks to his reps, he follows up with them, or she follows up with them, and holds them accountable. We're gonna automate all of that so the sales managers can focus on what they do best, which is the one-on-one relationship with their reps, setting the strategy, and making sure that the team is completely aligned, including their AI.